Hello friends, welcome to our website automationcommunity.com. In the last video, we have seen the ladder programming of our control of main and auxiliary motor using PLC. In this video, we are going to design its HMI screen and do its simulation. So I will open my DOP software from here, click on new file, and for this project, let us use 100 by 272 resolution screen. Write over here your project name. On next button. For communication, we have to use our simulator that we have created in ComGIA and click on finish button. So here, first of all, let us change the screen background color. So from this panel, in this background, we can select your background color of your choice and click OK. We want to show two motors over here. So motors are our actual outputs. So outputs are indicated by multi-state indicator, and draw a box like this. Double click over it, give its address. So first of all, this is our main motor, so that we have connected at Y0 position in PLC and select enter. So we have given address. Now this is the off condition. 0 means off, 1 means on. So for off condition, we want to show one image over here. So go to pictures. From here we will select modern pump 2 library, which is this. Let us select this image for off condition. Click OK. If you can't see your image properly, then go to stretch mode and select stretch all. Now you can see, but there is a gray color in the background. So go to main and from here select the black. So it will match with our screen color, and here you have to select fixed. Now you can see image is showing properly. Similarly, for on condition, we want to show one image. So again go to modern pump 2 library. For on condition, we will use this image. So select this and click OK. Again, the pump is not visible properly, so select stretch all from here. And here also there is gray background, so go to main and again here select black color and here fixed. Now click OK. So you can see our image is created properly. Now we will just copy paste it for the auxiliary motor. So select it and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V and drag it to the position you want. Don't forget to change its address. So double click over it and from here change its address to Y1 because auxiliary motor is connected to Y1 position in PLC. So we have created two outputs. When it will be on, it will appear like this, and when it is off, it will appear like this. Now image of pipes over here to show that it is connected to pipes. So for that, from this icon select pipe 6 type, draw a box like this. Simply copy paste this, keep it here. Select again vertical pipe from here and draw a box like this to here. Same way copy paste this, keep it over here and drag it like this. So we have used 4 pipes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. When this motor is on, these 2 pipes animation should on, and when this motor is on, these 3 pipes animation should on. So we will give address to each pipe and also selects its animation type. So first of all select this. Here read address. You can select. For animations we use internal memory. So for this pipe we will select memory 1. Change its animation type from here bubble. Similarly change its address from here like internal memory denoted by $2. Press enter and change its animation type to bubble to show the animation of fluid. Similarly here change its address to internal memory 3, enter, and its animation type from here. And last change its address to internal memory 4, press enter and change its animation type from here bubble. We will write one macro code for the animation of these pipes. So for that click on screen menu and from here select screen cycle macro. Maximize this. We will use this macro wizard to write the code. So click on command button, go to comparison, click on if and from here select this if equals to on. So here we have to select our variable. So first of all if our main motor is on, that is connected to Y0, then this condition will work. So click on update macros and you can see our code is written over here. Just close this box. So if our main motor is on, then this if loop will activated. So click over here and we will write one code in this if loop. So what will happen? Let me minimize this. If the main motor is on, this pipe and this pipe only should show animation because at this time fluid will be flowing from this path only, not this. So again maximize it from here. Here I will write internal memory 1 equals to 1 and similarly internal memory 2 equals to 1. We will close this loop. So I will write end if and press enter. Similarly we will write code for auxiliary motor. I will just copy paste this and here we have to change to Y1 and here we will use internal memory 1, 3 and 4 because 3 pipes will be working at that time. Press enter. Friends, remember this. This is not the essential condition for our project. This is just for animation purpose, for better presentation of, for better visualization of our simulation. If we don't write this code, it won't affect our project in any way. So to save this code, just close this and click on update yes. So our code is saved. Now here we want to draw one input button. So select a button from here, select maintain button and draw a box like this. Now double click over it, give its address to X0 because our start stop button is connected to X0 position. Now for its off condition we want to give one image. So for this we will use modern switch to state library. So here it is modern switch to state library. Let us select this image for off condition. Select stretch all from here so image is visible properly. Similarly, we will select one image for on condition. So again go to same library and select this image for on condition. Again click on stretch all and click OK over here. So you can see our button is created. Now we want to get input from user about the set hours. So for that we have to select this input, numeric input from here, and select numeric entry and draw a box like this. Click over it. First of all, in the integers we want 2 digits only from user. Here select its address. So set hours of main motor will be stored in D0 register. So here we will use D0, press enter. We can format this shape from here, select standard or watercolor to white or blue, ground color to yellow. Click OK. It is showing minimum and maximum error because in the 2 digit maximum value can be 99 only. You can use this setting as per your wish. Right now we just want to give input in 1 digit only, so I have used max 2. Click OK. You can see our input is created. Just copy paste this for auxiliary motor and don't forget to change its address. Value given from user for auxiliary motor will be stored in D3 register. So select here D3 and click OK. Similarly, we want to show the running hour of motor. So for that we will select data display and numeric display from here. Draw a box of size same like this and then drag it to here. We will click over it. Here also we will do the same settings because our screen is small, so I am using this 2 digits only. Here we have to show read address, so it will be stored at D1. The running hours of main motor is stored at D1 position, so just click enter. Here also we will give the same formatting like this, so just click OK. You can see it is same like this, but it will, this is the input and this is the display output. Now just copy paste this for auxiliary motor and don't forget to change its address to D4 because running time of auxiliary is stored in D4 register. So friends, now we have completed the design of HMI. The only text is remaining to add. So select a text box from here and draw a box like this. Now double click over it to change the text. So first of all, let us change its background color so that it matches with our screen color. Now go to text. From here make it bold. You can format your text. You can format your text as per your wish and change color from here. Let us say and click OK. And here you can align it center or left, and here we will write off and click OK. So you can see our text is created. Similarly, we will just copy paste this for the remaining items. Here I will write on because if the switch is in this direction or this position, then it will be considered as on. So double click it, go to text and change over here to on and just click OK. So you can see our text is created. Similarly here double click over it to change it, go to text and here we will write set time in motor. Click OK. Increase this box size. Similarly, copy paste this Double click over it and go to text. Here we will write runtime. Click OK. You can see this shows the set time given by user, and this shows the actual running time that has elapsed. Now again copy paste this. Go to text and here we will write set time for auxiliary motor. Click OK. Is this box size. Similarly copy paste this for the runtime. We'll click over it to change the text, and here we will write time of auxiliary motor. Similarly double click over it to change its text to main motor. Click OK. Again adjust this box size. Same over here. Go to text and write over here auxiliary motor. Again adjust the box size. So friends, before moving ahead, I have done one mistake in writing a macro code. So first rectify that. So go to screen and screen cycle macro. Here by mistake I have written Y21. Actually I have to write Y1 only. So this was my mistake. So please rectify before going for simulation. Let us save this by closing this and update yes. So it will be saved. And you can see our designing is completed. So now first of all open your ladder programming in ISP Soft. Then from here start your simulator from COM.gr. So select your simulator and click on start button. You can see simulator has started. Now close this. First of all compile your project from here. You can see compilation is successful. So close this and download your program in simulator from here. So click on transfer. As you can see it is transferring to our simulator. Now close this and click on online mode. Don't forget to on this bit to do simulations. Click yes and click on run button. Confirm yes and you can see our simulator is in run state. Now again open your Soft HMI and from here click on offline simulation. So you can see our HMI screen is loaded. Initially the set time from the user is 0. So here you can see in the D0 and in D3 it is showing 0. So first of all let us write the set time of main motor. Let us say main motor should operate for 5 hours and auxiliary motor should operate for 2 hours. So you can see in the D0 5 is moved and in D3 2 is moved from HMI to PLC. You can see the data is transferred. Right now it is in off position, so you can see that X0 is in off state. As soon as I will press this switch on, it will on our main motor output Y0 from here, and you can also see it in HMI screen. Let us press this switch. You can see this switch is turned to right side and it is on and main motor is on, and also you can see the pipe animation like this part is only on right now. So in the D1 the running hours will be stored, but actually we can't wait for that much time. So let us change the running hour manually. So right click over it and click on change the present value, and let us say it has run for 4 hours and click OK. Close this, and in the HMI screen you can see that this main motor is running since last 4 hours. Now as soon as this will become 5, it will turn off this motor and turn on M1. So here you can see M1. What it will do? It will set M0, so auxiliary motor will start, and it will reset this D1 register. As you can see over here, it will reset D1 register. So here you will see 0 and it will reset itself. So let us do that. Here I will change the value of runtime. Just say it will become 5. So click OK. You see D0 has become 0, D1 has become 0, Y1 is on. That we can see from HMI screen also. Our auxiliary motor has started and the runtime of main motor is resetted. So similarly, here you can see the runtime of auxiliary motor is 0 right now. After 60 minutes, what it will store? It will store 1 after 60 minutes, means 1 hour. So let us change its present value to 1, click OK and close this. So you can see our HMI screen is showing the running hour of auxiliary motor. Our auxiliary motor is running since last 1 hour. When this run hour become equals to our set hour, it will off this auxiliary motor and main motor will start. So you can see from here what it will do. When this both will become equal, M2 will be on, and from here M2 will reset M0. So it will be resetted, Y1 will be off, and this will become on because M0 is resetted and Y0 will become on. So let us do that. Click OK. You can see this code has executed. So here the value of runtime, that is D4, is resetted, M0 is resetted. You can see from here M0 is off, so NC is on and main motor is on, and it has resetted itself. So you can see M2 is also off now. So again the main motor has started. So in this way PLC will automatically turn on and turn off main and auxiliary motors based on the value of time. So friends, if you want to learn more examples like this, just show your interest by liking and subscribing our YouTube channel. Meet you in the next video.